So in this video, we're going to look at how we can do this lower head title. So let's begin. First, we need to color clip. So let's create that here in the project bin. Right click and add the color clip. Any color you want to add. That's one. Or you can just duplicate this again into two. And now you can change the color by selecting it. Come to the clip property and then click here and select any color that you want to. Once you have that, now you need to create portrait on the video track. So let's right click, insert track, and then we just add the number to 2 and then click OK. So it's adding portraits 2 already on and then adding this 2. So now what we're going to do, we're going to place this color clip at track 1 and track 2. Now we're going to crop this color clip. So come to transform distorted perspective. I use crop by padding. Make sure to select the color clip and just do a double click. And you're adding that. And now just hold on to the handles here. So let's make this one this color clip, which is will have your logo or something like that here. And then let's do the same for the green color. So the green color should be the one at the back. So let's do that. Select that. Do the same. Double click, or you can click and add. And then use the handles here to just take it down like this. And if you want to make this little bit round edges, you can do that by coming to the radius here and just make it something like that. So we can have this nice round edge. So you can just have a straight edge. So now we have this. Now let's add our text. You can add your logo here, or type in a text that you want to. I'm going to add this one on top here. And the next one, I'm going to create a text. So right click, add title, placing it here, and then create this one. And we're going to create another text again. And I'm going to place this one here. Later, we're going to align them. Once I have that, now I can create that. And I have to insert one more track. So let's right click and insert a track. Now we want to bring the first text here and then bring the second text on top of this. So this is what we have right now. And then to add this text onto this, we want to use the transform. So select the logo there, double click on the transform to apply that. And using these handles, we can just decrease the size, grab it, and place it. And now it's time for animation. So we're going to animate the first one will be the green, and then this one will be second. And then we're going to animate this and the two texts afterwards. So let's do that. So before we animate them, we have to hide all the text and the shapes. So to do that, let's just use the effects that already been added. For example, we go to crop by pad, we go to the green, and then using the X position, you can move it like this to hide it if you want to. And then do the same for the green. You can move it opposite direction. And then the text, these two texts, we're going to use the transform. Apply the transform, and we can hide it somewhere there. And now it's time for animation. So let's set the move the playhead somewhere here, add the first keyframe, and from the X position, let's move the green color clip back. Keyframe interpolation to something like this, exponential, something like that. We want the red color clip. So let's do that. Moving the playhead few frames, and then move from the X position all the way back like that. We want the logo, so let's add a keyframe there, move the playhead, let's add a keyframe, and then move in 5 or 6 frame, and add another keyframe, and move the logo out like that. Add the keyframe, interpolation. Now let's move some frames in, add a keyframe. Now select the next text clip, add a keyframe, move 1 or 2 frame, add another keyframe, and then move from the X position, the text back in again, something like that. Change the interpolation, move 1 or 2 frame, add a keyframe, select the final text clip, move 1 or 2 frame, add a keyframe, move another 2 or 3 frame, add another keyframe, and bring in back the text clip. So that's the intro there. And then for the outro, you follow the same principle, but the ones that we do last will be the first to go out, like this text animation, and then the next one, and then this one, and then the red clip, and then the green clip. Now, one thing about the green, we have to do a little bit of transparent to it. So let's select that, and you have the transparency here applied to it, and just bring this little bit back down. We're going to create a sequence for this so that we can add the video at the bottom. So let's select all of this clip, right click, and create sequence from selection. Just click OK for this one. You can type in a name from here and then click OK. Inside here, sequence 1 and sequence 2. So let's select the sequence 2, which is the one that we created. So let's place it onto video track 2. Add this video to it. And here is the animation. Okay, so that's how we can do this very simple lower tab title. Okay, so that's how we create this very simple text animation. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe if you haven't done so, and that will be a big help to support us. Thank you again, and see you back again in another video.